Guinness on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday night, Wednesday through to Friday, I think I feel alright. Saturday with chasers, a couple at midnight. Now we're back to Sunday, Guinness, you're alright. Sunday, poker Monday night, women through to Friday, I think I feel alright. Saturday I'm plastered, I'm chatting up your wife. Now we're back to Sunday, Guinness, you're alright. Sunday, movies Monday night, shoot me dead on Friday, she's got me wrapped up tight. Saturday I'm back, drinking till midnight. Now we're back to Sunday, Guinness saved my life. On a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday night, Wednesday through to Friday, I think I feel alright. Saturday with chasers, a tuple at midnight. Now we're back to Sunday, Guinness, you're alright.
Some people call me a city boy with me long black hair and the six-string toy, singing all the songs from me home far away. It's something to do, it's something to say. It's the ballads that do it, they get under your skin. The jigs and the reels, it's a constant din. The whistle and the fiddle, the bear on the crack. Can't sit still and you can't hold back.
I come from a land far away. It brought me the value that I have today. I come from a land far away, Ireland.
If the truth is told, the girls are hot, the drinks are cold. If I wasn't doing this shit, I'd be digging in the dirt. But it's better this way, I can drink and I can flirt. It's the ballads that do it, they get under your skin. With your jigs and the reels, a constant din. The whistles and the fiddle, the bear on the crack. You can't sit still and you can't hold back.
I come from a land far away. It made me the man that I am today. I come from a land far away, Ireland.
It'll get you, it'll drive you mad. You'll dance, I bet you. Our song will grab you, won't let go. Tapping your fingers and stomping your toes. Singing all the songs from me home far away. It's something to do, it's something to say. It's the ballads that do it, they get under your skin. Jigs and the reels, it's a constant din. The whistles and the fiddle, the bear on the crack. Can't sit still and you can't hold back.